All right, so I have my rounded shape, which would be a ring, a bracelet, whatever you may use to create your curved shape, whatever you're designing. And then the question was, how do you imprint into the ring without changing the actual structure of the ring? So I just used text to write my imprint. But whatever 3D solid you're making, that's fine. Currently, this is not solid yet. So I'm just going to extrude my text so I can have a solid shape. In this case, it will be a solid graphic. Um, and then we'll extrude this actually more than the cylinder. So you want it to go across. So you need to be actually high enough, your solid shape, whatever it may be, a star and anything, to go all the way through the graphic at varying heights. So if it's going across the top half of this graphic here, it needs to be long enough to reach through here, but also reach through these parts. So there's my imprint. I always hide my sketches so I don't accidentally select them later. And then I'm going to go over and grab my 3D solid. And now I'm going to start navigating it to actually go into the ring. Move up, and move over. Ooh, too far. And I cannot emphasize enough, you have to do this from every view. Don't assume it's okay. You need to turn the ring, try again, turn the ring, try again, until you are happy with the view from all sides. So that to me looks pretty much centered. To move it in smaller amounts, zoom in, and then you'll be able to move in smaller increments, or you can just type the number right into it. Both options are okay. And then I'll go back to this view. So I'm all the way through. If I don't want it to have a hole through it, then I'm going to bring it up some more. I'm going to change my view over here. So I can just grab the top half like that. If you want to have a hole through it, then obviously it needs to go through everything, which it pretty much does there. But I don't, so I'm just going to move it up a little bit more. So here it's gone through every part of the design. And I don't believe, it's extruding. Perfect. So it's not extruding anywhere out. The P obviously is longer, so it goes a little bit down, but that's part of the etching of the font, or the graphic in this case. To actually create this impression in what you do is you select the combine menu and you subtract. So you select your ring, you select the M, and you hit enter. I'm not sure 100% you can do it all at once. Let's find out. Select the ring. So I can select all of these awesome things. Oh, alarm clock. Enter. There you go. So you could do it all in one. And that creates the imprint. So it hasn't gone through the ring, as you can see on the interior, but it's create this etching kind of onto the shape. And you can do that with anything, solids to begin a primitive shape, or you can create a sketch from the ground. In my case, I just use font. Extrude it, find the placement, and then use the combine menu. Hope that helps.